Welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Now the gardener is away and I'm taking charge of the farmyard. And look at these cute little babies, the Evielings, having a nice bathe in the sun. I've got them in this smaller pen for a little while because I've just cleaned out their main house, and boy, what a messy lot they are. And Evie is around the back having a bit of time out from these noisy little babies. Hey bubbers! Hi! They're getting so big. They're so beautiful. And they're rather naughty, which is just how ducklings should be. So I've got a few more chores. I've got to go and feed the guinea pigs, and then I've got to go and move them and onto some fresh grass. And yeah, I've already fed all the chickens and Mr. Big Duck out the back. So everything's going well. And then I have to feed myself. So I think I'll have a big load of apples, pineapple, pears, kiwi fruit, and I've even got a dragon fruit for a bit of a treat. So, hey babies, we'll check on you a bit later. I'll go and check on Miss Evie now. So, see you bubbers. I found Miss Evie. Hello Miss Evie, what are you up to? Hey? Whoop 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 whoop. Having a good time? Yeah? Hey sweetheart, where's everyone else gone? Hey, is everyone hiding? Well, it is quite warm today, so I think they've all gone into some shade. Hey baby! Hey! Boop, boop, boop. You're at a loss of what to do. Hey! Well, she should have a bath soon and get herself all clean. And have a bit of a scavenge. Actually, I'll go and get some lettuce. I'll go and get some lettuce for you, eh? Good girl. Whoop. Hey Evie. Whoop, 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 whoop. Who's a pretty girl? Hello Mr. Duck, you're all excited to have Evie here, aren't you? Yes you are. Such an excitable boy, aren't you? You are so excited. And Evie's not so excited, are you, darling? You are? Come on, let's see that tail waggle. Yeah? And we've got all the chickens have come to see what's happening. Hello, chickens. Hey. Hey, good girl. Hello, naughty duck. Who's a naughty boy? He's a cheeky boy. Yes, you are. I think the little munchkins have had enough today, and I'll be putting them back in their house. Hey, bubbers. Hey. There's two little duckies. Another little ducky. There you go. All happy families again. Hey Evie! Lettuce bites! Go duckies! Couldn't you just watch them for ages? Hours and hours and hours. Hey bubbies! Well, that's all for today from Gardener Gone Wild. So until next time, stay wild, stay gardening and stay vegan. And if you're not, why not?